Hedgewitch Shifting with nature. Manifestation, especially in witchcraft and magic, is a process with many layers. At its heart, it means clearly stating what you want, picturing the result, and feeling positive emotions about your goal. This is not just wishful thinking. Instead, it is about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your intentions. The first step is to be specific about what you want. This goes beyond a simple wish. It is a clear statement, often spoken or written, that forms the base of the manifestation process. Next comes visualization. Here, you imagine your desired outcome in detail, using all your senses to make it feel real. This is important because the mind responds strongly to images, and the universe responds to the energy these thoughts create. The emotions you feel during visualization are just as important. Feeling happiness, gratitude, or excitement as if your goal has already happened increases the energy you send out. After this, it helps to let go of your attachment to the outcome. Releasing your desire shows trust in the process and allows things to unfold without interference from doubt or worry. Manifestation is not limited to rituals or meditation. In traditional spellwork, preparation, focus, and closing the ritual, often in a magic circle, are important. The magic circle creates a special space for clear intention. However, the thoughts and conversations you have before and after rituals also matter. These everyday words and thoughts send messages to the universe, just like formal spells, and can support or weaken your intentions. It is easy to think that magic only happens inside the ritual circle, or that its power ends when the ritual is over. In reality, manifestation is always happening. The universe is always listening, not just to rituals, but to your daily thoughts, words, and actions. This means it is helpful to be aware of the messages you send, both on purpose and by habit. To make manifestation more effective, it helps to be consistent in your thoughts and words. This means avoiding talk about what you do not want, not complaining, and not making statements that go against your goals. The language you use, both in your mind and out loud, should be clear, positive, and focused on what you want. This approach is sometimes called primal language. It means using simple, direct words, mainly nouns and verbs, that match your intentions. The idea behind primal language is that the universe does not understand negatives, disclaimers, or complicated phrases. It responds to the main symbols and feelings in your thoughts. For example, saying "I don't want to be responsible for this project at work" actually focuses energy on the project and responsibility, because the universe does not notice the don't. The emotion behind your words also adds power, sometimes bringing about the very thing you hope to avoid. Because of this, it is useful to practice saying only what you truly want. This takes self-awareness and effort, since old habits of negative or unclear speech can be hard to change. But refining your language and thoughts is important for successful manifestation. The challenge with primal language is that spoken words, no matter the language, must be translated into the universal language of feelings, symbols, and energy. If your intent is unclear or mixed, the message can be misunderstood. The universe does not use human languages, it responds to the energy and emotion behind your thoughts. Words help you clarify your own intent, but it is the energy that communicates with the universe. When you speak or think, your mind creates a symbol or stream of energy that is sent out. The strength of this message depends on the emotion you feel, and the clarity of your belief shapes how clear the message is. Fewer, more focused words make the message stronger and clearer. This is why people with speech, hearing, or vision challenges are not limited in their ability to manifest. The process is about energy, not words. A common difficulty in manifestation is not being clear about what you really want. Confused or mixed thoughts send unclear signals, which can lead to results that do not match your true desires. By practicing primal language and simplifying your communication, you can better understand your own goals and improve your ability to manifest them. In summary, manifestation is a continuous and active process. It involves clear intention, focused visualization, positive emotion, and consistent language. By being mindful of your thoughts and words, both in ritual and in daily life, you can support your intentions and work more effectively with the energies of the universe.